Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a question on permutations and combinations from a previous CAT paper. Here comes the question. There are three cities A, B and C. Each of these cities is connected to the other two cities by at least one direct road. If a traveler wants to go from one city origin to another city destination, she can do so either by traversing a road connecting the two cities directly or by traversing two roads, the first connecting the origin to the third city and the second connecting the third city to the destination. In all, there are 33 routes from A to B, including those via C. Similarly, there are 23 routes from B to C, including those via A. How many roads are there from A to C directly? Now, there are three cities A, B and C. There is at least one direct road means A to B, B to C, A to C, there should be at least one direct road. So let us assume there are X direct roads from A to B, Y direct roads from B to C, and Z direct roads from A to C. And we need to know the direct roads from A to C. That means we need to find what is Z value. Please remember these X, Y, Z should be positive integers because there is at least one direct road. So it should be one or more than one, and number of roads has to be integer. It can't be decimal or fraction. Hence, these are positive integers. Now, if a person has to travel from A to B, what are the options? One option is going from A to B directly, so that she has X options for that. The other option is going via C. That means the other option is going A to C and from there to B. A to C there are Z options, and C to Y there are C to B there are Y options. So the total number of options means it is Z into Y. If you recall, the fundamental principles of permutation combination is if one job or task can be done m ways, the other can be done n ways. How many ways both can be done means m into n ways. Similarly, here A to C, she has Z options, and for every option she chooses to go from A to C, for every road that she selects from A to C, she have Y options to go from C to B, means for Z options, Z into Y, total ZY options. Hence, this 33 what we have here is X plus ZY. It is not X plus Y plus Z, right? Similarly, what about this 23 B to C? B to C direct road means Y options, or via A means B to A X and A to C Z means total X into Z options. That is 23. If I add the two equations, X plus Y plus, if I take Z common, Y plus X equals to 56. If I simplify this, if I take X plus Y common here, X plus Y into 1 plus Z equals to 56. And we need to find Z, which has to be a positive integer. Can Z value be 10? No. Why? If Z is 10, this will become 11. And 56 is not a multiple of 11. 11 into X plus Y should be an integer because X plus Y plus XYZ are integers. X plus Y has to be integer. So this 56 is not a multiple of 11. Hence, this is not possible. For same reason, I can reject 5. If you put Z5, this becomes 6. 5 plus 1, 6. This 56 is not a multiple of 56. 6 into something. 6 into X plus Y has to be 56, means not possible. Because 6 is not a factor of 56. Rather, 56 is not a multiple of 6 there. Next. What if this is 3? If it is 3, this will be 4. Is 56 a multiple of 4? Yes, because 4 14 is 56. So if I take 4, X plus Y into 4 equals to 56. We are getting 4 means we are taking Z as 3. If Z is 3, X plus Y into 4 is 56 means X plus Y is 14. X plus Y is 14, fine. But in this equation, if I substitute Z is 3, we'll get X plus 3Y is 33. If I simplify this minus minus minus, minus 2y equals to 14 minus 13, 33 minus 19. Y is 19 by 2, not an integer. But your x, y, z should be positive integers. But when I take z3, while x plus y may be 14, but you are not getting integers for x and y, which is not acceptable. So this is not acceptable means 3 is not acceptable. So then the only option left is 6. You can check if If z is 6, x plus y into 1 plus 6, 7 is 56 means you can say x plus y is 8. If I substitute z6 here, x plus 6y equals to 33. If you simplify here, you can see minus 5y equals to minus 25 or y equals to 5. If y equals to 5, I can say x equals to 3. They are integers. Possible. So hence, the only possible value here is A, 6. Students, for more on quant, please reach my profile in Udemy where you find a few important courses for preparation of competitive exams. Thank you.